Thanks for the report. You're flying 90 years ago for 16 meters high, now 16 meters high, Michael. I wonder what you're using there. Italy Kilo 2, Lima Fox Fox, Golf 3 Yankee Romeo Oscar.
Happy that you enjoy the lake and water sports. During the summertime, it's quite good. I love it. Actually, I was born here on the lake, for that's why I love it so much. Despite the fact that during in summer, it gave us absolutely fantastic moments. That's why I love staying here. Because I see in my log we had a rain here so during March 2012. It was for 20 years, and you were very strong about telling me great. So, Roger, I will leave you on the telephone. I'll choose you somebody else, or I will try something yet. Over again, and sometime during last week here on South Bend, hearing some Japanese on JT65 and some American music. Okay, good. Please do the final. G3YRO, IK2LFF.
Yeah, IK2LFF, G3YRO. Yeah, fine business, Michael. Jolly good. Yeah, I haven't been on much the last few days. I didn't think conditions seemed very good. So sometimes I come on during the night time to XNDX, but doesn't seem to have been too good conditions the last few days. Around 3 or 4 o'clock, it's quite a good time really to come on and work XNDX off to the west. And the trouble is, by sunrise, I think by our sunrise, which is about 7:30, I think most people stateside, etc., have gone to bed, as it's a bit late for them, actually. So, anyway, nice to work you here on top, and then Michael, if it was 20 meters we worked before. I mainly operate 160, it's always been my main interest, and work quite a lot of DX on this band over the years. So thanks for the call, nice to work here. I'm not going to stop on too much longer, but we'll just see if there's anything else about. So many thanks for the contact this evening, and see you again. Arrivederci and ciao ciao. Italy Kilo 2, Lima Fox Fox, Golf 3, Yankee Romeo Oscar.
That's Roger. That's really amazing. I was checking the atmosphere during the last over.
Con la plataforma que hoy me han traído.
Absolutely. Your typing is doing an impressive job. Probably we're using the same antenna, very similar antenna. Instead of the vertical, I see. There's that company. And not some issues here with the window, but it's the only antenna I can use here at home. You can to the garden space I have, so I have a small space in front of the house. And the longer space or longer anchor, and therefore it's the only way, because the mast is not in the middle of the garden, therefore I have to use the window. Amazing, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the evening, and catch you very soon. Goodbye, Roger. Ciao.
Yes, no, that's fine. Michael is doing a good job anyway. Yes, 73s, many thanks for the call. And see you again. IK2LFF, G3YRO. Bye-bye. Yeah, hi Tom, Lima Yankee 3 X-Ray. Golf 3 Yankee Romeo Oscar, yes. Good evening, Tom. I think we've worked probably on CW in one of the contests right there. My name is Roger, the Romeo Oscar Golf Echo Romeo, and I'm right in the north of England in the city of Newcastle. You're just on the 9 with me, just speaking S9. Nice strong signal, Tom. I don't know if you heard just now me telling Michael, I'm running Kenwood, Tango Sierra 930S, TS930S transceiver into TL922 linear. So about 400 watts output into horizontal halfway.
Dettaglio, sentimenti alla tipologia di sapore rilanciato nella tavola semplice seguito chiama virgola come sarà
Roberto sta in casolador.
Antonio, yeah, pero ¿qué haces por ahí?
You know, when you came on then, you were easy to read for me. Over.
Well, you can only try. What you've done today has certainly helped, no doubt. And when you started the cough and fluster, I thought, now it's got a good pitch at this time of night. I can do it if I can. I can do it free. And sometimes the odd biscuit, but mainly fruit. So that it goes through my system. Oh, I went for a walk with the dog, about a mile, up the hill, up 7 acres hill, round the back, and then back down the Preston Road. Boy, oh boy, when I got back I was quite restless, but the dog walked at a fair old pace. And of course she keeps stopping to sniff, which means it's stop, go, which isn't so good. Over. You've made a start, and as I said to you before, I have got more wire than I would ever use in my life. And you're very welcome to your 100 meters or two. Over. Whiskey Mike will tell you, you can't have too much wire in the ground. It's a fact. But you've done a very good job so far. And, it's very nice to be able to hear everything that you say. What it is. Over.
Yeah, okay, I get no problem before. Yeah, I was trying to do it, yeah, because the phone was standing over the gun, over from the phone box. Let me put the wire up higher up on that, and then went to the other phone that's standing in the phone, the end of the wire is hit with the motor. And we went to the first end of the phone that changed over. So we had to put it on the next phone, the rope, put it back on the next phone, and put it higher up the next phone. So it's up to 2 feet higher. And it's a first phone that is really phone to range the connection. And the other phone where the end of the wire is, we put up another 2 to 3 feet there. So it's kind of highest point at the moment, over.
Yeah, well, you're certainly going in the right direction, Harold. There's no doubt about that. And the more the merrier.
There aren't too many poles in the country. We've already got enough, haven't we?
You a strike or whatever it was earlier.
Right?
Very glad. I'm still breathless from walking that dog. She's a nice go with a gallop. Over.
Yeah. That's because you never stop talking. That's why you're bloody breathless. There aren't too many poles in the country. We've already got quite a few, if you count them up.
Yeah, can you hear Harold?
Yeah, better signal. I don't know what he's doing. I've just come out of the dunking as the Dobie took, so I've only just switched on, so yes, I'm copying you. Hello, Harold. Obviously you've done something, I'm not sure what, but all the conditions, but you're good signal tonight. G0HQ, Golf 0 Echo Hotel Quebec. It means nothing because it's got nothing in it. G0.
Yeah, you got 3 now.
What you use as Longwire or a dipole, or doublet. I'm not really sure what it is, Harold. But anyway, it's sounding good tonight. So as Mike said, that's a good start. I don't think you can have anything too high, and I don't think you can have anything too big, really. But I could be wrong on that. I just use a dipole on each band, so that's what I'm using. Anyway, how are you, Mike? You say you're breathless, so you've been on a cross-country run with the dogs by the sound of it?
Yeah, that's right. I've got one of these extender leads, I bought it in the early 70s when I had my first GFC. The German one, and I bought it from, I think I bought it from Trek. I did, when we were at the Trek. And, she can go out quite a long way. Not too far, but, quite a few yards. And of course she gets hold of it, she suddenly smells something, she goes past it and darts back, and of course they never come back the same side, do they? If they go back on the right, they come back on the left. So, you're changing hands and spinning like a top. So, I was pretty puffed out when I got back. Before I went and had a wash, I had to sit down in the chair for 10 minutes. It's not cold. In fact, I put my big anorak on and I had to unzip it halfway because of the damn day, because it's warm out there, Franco.
Yeah. It's not cold here. We had quite a lot of rain late this afternoon. I don't know whether you had it. It was torrential rain here for I think it's stopped now. I haven't been out, but I can't see any rain on the wet islands. Just been out, so she said no, it's stopped. So, but we had quite a lot of rain this afternoon. Have you had that or not?
No, I don't remember. We had rain because everywhere's wet, but I don't think we had any rain this afternoon. Did you have any rain, Harold?
Yeah, we had a little bit of rain this morning, early this morning.
Right, okay. Well, I don't think we had any rain this afternoon. You see, we went shopping, and I pulled in at the chemist. No, I didn't. I rang the doc, to see whether they put the prescription through. I get to the chemist the surgery, and
I suppose they deal with it, they can get it off, but quite often they haven't always got everything or enough of everything to deal with the prescription, but they always give enough to keep us going anyway.
Yeah, well, Magregol is not like Pfizer. It isn't like it at all, and it doesn't agree with me. I've tried it. I was pretty annoyed, but you can't get annoyed with the girl at the reception because it's not her fault, is it?
Well, no, it's not her fault, but I must say that there's 2 or 3 girls at our doctor's practice, and a couple of them, you would think that they're running the show, and they're not as good as the older person there is much better to deal with, and she sees both sides of the story, where I suppose they're told what to do, given rules and what have you to do, and a bit more strict, whereas the older woman, she always seems much nicer and better to deal with, so we seem to get a better service when we deal with her, but I suppose they're all there to do a job anyway.
Yeah, well, I think we all have problems at times, don't we, Harold? Go ahead, Harold.
Yeah, Quebec. The last letter's Quebec. Queen, Quebec, or queer. But I'm not queer. Well, I don't think so, anyway.
I don't know about that.
I've got a better one than yours. Mine's like a pea. mine's a bit different to yours. I got a brain the size of a pea. Everybody else on here has got brains as big as a planet, or they think they are. Mine's as big as a pea. You're not going to put it in the bed. You're not going to sleep with it in the bed, I hope, because I'm not sure whether it'll stand that. Oh, that's okay. That's all right. I don't want you suffocating it, you see. Oh yeah, you can't have enough of them. We've had 4 so far. We've got 2. We've still got 2. My wife's got one in there. We use them as mobile radios. So, but I do play about with the one here in the they're both here in the shack at the moment. But we use that. They're lovely for mobile. They're much quieter than anything else I've ever tried. And I tried a lot of radios in the mobile. So I don't have a problem here with noise. But when I'm out and about and in the town and everywhere these days, it's very noisy. So we've experimented with them in the mobile, and a cracking radios for mobile on the Harold. The only tuners that I've got here are the ones in the radio, and I don't have to use them. So I'm lucky. I've got with a whip in the top if I want to move. But all the other bands, they cover the whole of the band, so they're pretty good. And I like playing about with antennas anyway. Okay, good night to you. I won't keep you. I'm going to go and have a bit of supper, and I shall be back. Mrs. will just give me a shout for something ready to eat. A bit of cheese on toast, I hope. That's what I asked for. So, nice to be able to talk to you, Harold. All the best. Good night to you. And I'll catch you the next time.
Yeah, Christine has come in to do my eyes, Harold, so I'm going to disappear. Good night to you, Harold. Well done.
Yeah, good night, Michael, and good night to you, friend. We'll catch you both again tomorrow. Yeah, cheers, Harold. Okay, I'll be back. I won't be long. Mike will probably both be a bit.